He's real. There's no facade with him. He is who he is. And he's humble about everything. He doesn't take anything for granted, and he's extremely polite. I like his temperament. Like, I admire his temperament.
What is temperament?
Not once will the guy lose his cool on anyone, be it his team, be it anybody from the, sometimes people get mad at, oh, this one came into my eye line, and they lose the cool because they're like, I'm trying to focus here, and I'm not saying that person's wrong or whatever, but that's their temperament and whatever. This guy is just so cool. He's innately cool, I think. And he's cool about things. He's cool-headed. He's very cool-headed. And not too many people are like that, no? Not too many people. There are a lot of people who there could be a lot of, externally, there could be a lot of modesty and humbleness and sweetness. But when he's, I feel like he's truly humble. He's modest, and he's not egoistic. There's no ego. Yeah. He doesn't come with all that, the hang-ups of being a big star, and I know who I am, and I know what my audience is, and I am the senior one, or I'm this and I'm that. There's no hang-ups per se. He's relaxed. He's easy, I also feel a part of him is solely to him. Like, he keeps it to himself. He doesn't reveal all of him to the world. That's what I sense. I don't know. I don't know any other way. Maybe someday I'll be so confident, which is also scary to think, because I like my shakiness. I feel it keeps me grounded. It keeps me more charged and active. And, I always have curiosity to be like, okay, are there other ways to better it? I feel like the day I become too comfortable, that's the end of me discovering anything new. That's scary.
There's a lot to admire about you that the world will gradually discover as you keep accomplishing things in your own life and career.
Fingers crossed. Touch wood.
You're incredible, and I can say so much to you about you. But
this was a lot of fun, actually.
Yeah, what do you find fun about?
I could do this like sitting in my night suit also, and just be like, like with my feet folded up and be like, aur batao.
Yeah, that's why I want people to come home and speak to me. This house will add an energy to these spaces.
Comfort space, for sure. I think that you also suss people very correctly. You also gauge what they are comfortable and how they, what they want to open about and what they don't. You also understand, you have a good understanding of people. You try your best to make things as positive and as real and as, even when you're talking to me right now, you made it so comfortable for me to open up. Someone who's a bit protective and guarded of her life. I feel like that beauty, that art, not everybody has, So what you're doing right now, if somebody else was doing in your place, perhaps might not have had the same conversation, Perhaps this conversation would have been an entirely different, it would have gone in. So you bring out the things that people are keeping to themselves. You're very good with, making someone feel at home.
The brutal truth is we also reject a lot of potential guests. The moment we heard your name, we were like, yes, Vaani Kapoor is going to be on the show, because I feel you have a lot to say.
I'm grateful. Yes.
To be completely honest,
I have a lot to say about, yeah?
No. You have a lot to say about,
you.
There's a lot more for you to open up about on the internet.
Yeah. I don't know if I can say I suck at social media.
No.
But I do. I think my digital team is not the happiest with me.